right, we have a table full of Thanksgiving dishes that the kids can actually help you make.
That's right, just in time. We've got fun, delicious, easy possibly for the kids and the adults. Maggie Jackson, she is a lifestyle coordinator, also parent expert, which is great. Good to see you.
Thank
you.
This
looks like so much fun.
As a parenting expert, I'm trying.
I was one never worked out.
It's kind of like these are the things that I'm learning. Let me show you as I'm going.
Do as I say, not as I do, right?
Right,
right. That one.
All right, let's start with this. This is so much fun. Is it hard to put together?
So one thing that I'm learning is that introduce vegetables first for children. So for Thanksgiving, start with a veggie appetizer that looks like a turkey. This is so fun to eat, and your kids can help you make the dip. That is a Greek dip with a lot of seasonings, no chopping needed, all dried seasonings with a squirt of lemon. Stir it together, enjoy some carrots. You have this beautiful turkey-looking veggie platter. This will be the big hit.
That's a lot of
at your
fun, and
Thanksgiving.
this is very creative to make the mouth with a piece of...
Yeah, so I got a carrot, cut a little wedge to make the beak, and then two candy eyeballs. So we'll see how, those are probably the first thing to go.
That's very fun.
We'll find out what we're going to see that part.
Yes.
All right, you got a side dish here that's, we're going to say it's elevated.
This is elevated creamy mashed potatoes, and these are easy because you make them the day ahead. So on Thanksgiving Day, you can be with your friends and family and just pop this in the oven. What makes this easy for kids is that they love mashing the potatoes. Every child loves mashed potatoes, right? But then the whole family will love this. It's elevated. It's made with cacique queso, and it's the Oaxacan queso, and it also has chorizo, bacon, some crema to make it extra creamy.
So it's a little spicy, possibly.
A little bit with the chorizo, but we add some extra cream here to make it extra creamy.
Ooh.
Yes, so that is a tasty
delicious
one that will taste really good on these.
And I'll close this up.
Yes, and a hot tip now that you're putting that on there is Le Creuset is what I like to use for my Thanksgiving cooking because it really cooks everything evenly. It has the best overall cooking. Yes, and it's beautiful. Doesn't this look beautiful on your Thanksgiving table?
And then I love these. These are stuffing muffins.
Stuffing muffins. Yes, so my kids love making muffins with me. Why not make stuffing muffins? So you can take your normal stuffing recipe and just press it down into a muffin tin, bake it for 30 minutes. These are fun you can top with mashed potatoes to create some like a savory cupcake.
Just to do something different.
Yeah, something different. They're perfect for little hands. My kids, they always end up eating with their hands by the end of the meal. Yeah, and then also great to put in a doggy bag for leftovers. These are just so easy to take home too.
All right, you have some crescent rolls here, but it looks like there's something really good oozing from them.
Yes, some jellied cranberry sauce. Crescent rolls are a Thanksgiving staple. We love making them at our house. Make them more holiday and festive by adding some cranberry sauce. The kids will love rolling up these crescent rolls. They are so delicious. They're great for an appetizer or for a side with your Thanksgiving meal.
All right, you want to do the pie really quickly and then get to the
Yes, so this is a sugar-free pumpkin pie. Everyone loves pumpkin pie, but replace it with Truvia monk fruit sweetener, and you have a 1-to-1 ratio with sugar. You can't even taste the difference. Lastly, the handprint turkey cookies are so adorable. These are made from my children's handprints. I traced them on cardstock and used them as a stencil as I cut in the sugar cookie, and I let them decorate with chocolate-covered sunflower seeds. So to add some color and some festive flair.
Those are chocolate covered. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so you basically put the hand down in the dough and then
trace.
Perfect.
The stencil, yes. And then use it. Yeah.
All right, that looks like a lot of fun.
And,
my mom calls me Lucy, so I might have to take that.
Yes, that's my daughter. You certainly can.
Cool. All right, Maggie, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, for more information on Maggie's recipes and family-friendly holiday ideas, you can go to her website. You can also follow her on Instagram and TikTok.
Pretty groovy. All right, Casey Montoya, you want a cookie?
Oh, you know I want one. Yeah, I sure do.